The parliaments are found almost across all the countries of the world, and the English parliament is known as the mother of all the parliaments. So the British parliament or English parliament is known as mother of all parliaments in the world. इसका रीजन ये है बिकॉज द ब्रिटिश पार्लियामेंट इज वन ऑफ द मेजर इंस्टीट्यूशन इन द मॉडर्न वर्ल्ड विच हैज डेवलप्ड द मोस्ट ऑफ द फीचर्स ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट्री फॉर्म ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी, इसलिए इसको मदर बोला जाता है, द सोर्स और द ओरिजिन ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट्री मेजर कन्वेंशंस, ट्रेडिशंस एंड कस्टम्स. इसके अलावा इफ आई शेयर some of the facts with you, so on the basis of inter-parliamentary union, there is an inter-parliamentary union which is a union of the parliaments of 180 countries. So as per the data of inter-parliamentarian or inter-parliamentary union, there are around 190 parliaments in the world. There are around 190 parliaments in the world, और उसमें से भी 78 parliaments are such that which are bicameral. So out of this 190, 78 parliaments are bicameral in nature, means there are two houses. जैसे इंडियन पार्लियामेंट इज बाइकैमरल, राज्यसभा एंड लोकसभा, सिमिलरली इन द 78 कंट्रीज, सो टू हाउसेस बाइकैमरल. देन रेस्ट ऑफ द 112 आर यूनिकैमरल. यूनिकैमरल दैट इज सिंगल हाउस. If I would like to share some more facts, then the oldest parliament of the world is the oldest parliament. It is the Iceland's. It is the Iceland's Alþingi. It is the Iceland's. It is the Iceland's Alþingi. ये इसकी पार्लियामेंट का नाम है. तो आइसलैंड की जो एलपिंगी पार्लियामेंट है ये सबसे ओल्डेस्ट है. ठीक है. और हम न्यूएस्ट पार्लियामेंट की बात करें, द लेटेस्ट वन, न्यूएस्ट पार्लियामेंट, देन इट इज द पार्लियामेंट ऑफ नेपाल. Nepal's parliament is the newest one which formed in 2018. So these are some facts. Now if we go by the Indian constitution, right, so the constitution of India provides for a parliamentary form of government both at the center as well as in the state. So Indian constitution provides for parliamentary form of government, right, and this form of government is provided at the center as well as the state, because India is a federal country. Okay. और अगर हम आर्टिकल की बात करें, that which article provides for the parliamentary form of government, so it is your article number 74 and 75 in the case of the center, and it is 163 and 164 in the case of the state. 163 and 164 in the case of the state, because this article talks about that there exists a council of minister headed by prime minister. which is responsible to the Lok Sabha. Similarly, in the case of state, there exists a council of minister headed by the chief minister, which is responsible to the state legislative assembly. Okay, so this is the general idea about the parliamentary form of government in India. Even the Supreme Court, even the Supreme Court held, the Supreme Court of India, it held parliamentary form of government, parliamentary form of government as part of the basic structure of the constitution, part of the basic structure of the constitution. Okay, so this is made clear by the Supreme Court. Okay, so this is about the basic idea. इसके अलावा जो आपकी पार्लियामेंट्री फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट होती है, इसको अलग अलग नामों से जाना भी जाता है. सो इफ वी डिस्कस सम ऑफ द नेम्स, अदर नेम्स, तो इसको बोला जाता है कैबिनेट फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट, कैबिनेट फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट, बिकॉज कैबिनेट प्लेज एन इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. हम कमिंग लेक्चर्स में, फीचर्स में देखेंगे. इट ऑल्सो नोन एज responsible form of government, responsible form of government because of its nature. We will discuss this in the future कि क्यों इसको responsible बोलते हैं. And it also known as Westminster, Westminster form of government. So Westminster is a place in London where the British Parliament is situated. तो जैसे हमने थोड़ी देर पहले कहा that England's Parliament is known as mother of all parliaments, तो वहीं से ये नाम derive होके आया है that the system is also known as Westminster form of government because of the name of the place. जहाँ पर British Parliament situate है उस जगह को बोलते हैं Westminster. ये लंदन में एक जगह है. ओके, so these are the other names of parliamentary form of government. तो ये कई बार एग्जाम में पूछ लिया जाता है, राइट? तो हमें ये सब रीजंस भी पता होने चाहिए. ओके, so this is about the intro of parliamentary form of government.